Okay, so before we get started, you will need a computer with Windows 10, an ISO file with Windows 10, and you will need virtualization technology enabled in the BIOS. So first of all, you want to go over to the control panel, click on Uninstall Programs and Features, and on the left-hand side it says Turn on Windows Features on or off. Click on that and scroll down to where it says Hyper-V. Select Hyper-V, make sure all the boxes are checked, and click OK. Windows will now install the necessary files, and you'll be required to restart the machine. Once you've restarted your computer, go down to the bottom left-hand corner in the search box and type in Hyper-V Manager. Once you've found that, open the program up and right-click on your computer, click New Virtual Machine, and now you want to go through this process and call your virtual machine a name. So I'm going to call my Windows Test Machine. Click on Next. And this is where you want to specify your generation. So generation 1 is the older generation, and generation 2 is the newer generation. I'm going to use the older generation just because it has all the features I want to use. Once you've done that, click on Next. Okay, so this is where you want to assign the memory of your virtual machine. I'm going to use the default value, but if you've got heavy programs, you might want to increase the startup memory on this. Once you've selected the appropriate memory, click on Next. Okay, this is the networking. I'm not going to connect it to any network, so I'm not going to select Not Connected, then click Next. Okay, this is where the virtual test machine will be saving. So if you want to change, you click Browse. I'm going to leave mine in the default value, which is in the Documents folder on my C drive. Once you've done that, click Next. Okay, this is the installation options. So you need to locate your ISO file that you've already downloaded from Microsoft and open it. This is where the virtual machine will find the installation files for Windows 10. Once you've done that, click Next. And this is just a summary of the Windows virtual machine. Once you've done that, click Finish, and it will now set up the virtual machine for you. And once you've done that, click on the virtual machine, click Connect, and then press Start. And you now have a virtual machine which is working. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit a like and a subscribe, and I'll hopefully see you in the next video. Thanks.